What's up, YouTube? Yeah, whatever, okay? Disclaimer. I definitely cried a little when I learned about what I'm about to tell you. Now, if you've seen my videos, read my articles or whatever, you probably know that I'm a huge Alexa fan. That being said, you know how Apple recently had a conference where they showed off the new iPhone and whatnot? Well, Amazon had their own developers conference very recently, and they previewed a bunch of Alexa compatible devices, so I hope you know where this video is going. Let's start with the basics. We've all seen the Eco Plus before. It's a $99 smart speaker. Amazon has just introduced a second version which takes it to another level and another cost. This $150 second generation smart hub device powered by none other than Alexa is supported by Dolby for that heavy duty sound and has a built-in smart hub that connects to all your smart home devices, your bulbs, your smart plugs, etc. Now, a little trade secret for you: if you have the Eco Dot, I don't think it's worth it to get this unless you're in it for the extra sound and the extra quality, the extra range, the better speaker, the ability to connect to your smart home devices without internet, being compatible with more devices. Maybe you should get it. Now, speaking of the Eco Dot, we have Eco Dot version 3.0. Costing initially at least $50, it's 70% louder. That's it. That's all it is. It's 70% louder. But now check this out. The Eco Input, and this is my favorite of the bunch so far. This tiny device can be connected into any speaker in your apartment, in your house, and instead of spending on an Eco Dot or an Eco Plus or an Eco this, Eco that, you have this tiny thing that can make any speaker an Alexa-powered speaker. Now, as opposed to the Chromecast audio, which doesn't have a microphone, this one does. You can actually interact with the smart speaker like if it were an Amazon Eco Dot or an Eco Plus or whatever. So if you have like a fancy Sony Bose speaker or whatever and you don't want to spend extra on that Dot or that Plus or whatever, the Eco Input's only $35 and it does the trick. To end this video off, we have the Eco Link amp. Now, not everyone has a $100 speaker or a $200 speaker, right? Some people are really into that crisp sound and go for the $500, $1,000, $2,000 speakers, the surround sound systems, the home theaters, and all that fun stuff. Now, the Eco Link amp, similar to the Eco Input, can be connected to these very, very fancy speakers, but it's not going to have a microphone, so you can't really interact with the device itself. Instead, you'd control your Alexa-powered device, obviously, through the app on your phone, or if you have like an Eco Dot or an Eco Plus or whatever, through that. So what this Link amp does is maintains that wonderful sound that you invested your hard-earned money in. So basically, you'll have a voice control app to use a device that connects your speakers, the only difference being the actual speaker won't talk back to you. Now, I'm gonna end this video here, but I promise you, I promise you, the next video is gonna be, that's the video that actually made me cry. It's gonna be wonderful. A hint, it's related to Internet of Things, smart home devices, all Alexa powered, but think beyond the Eco Dot and the Plus. Just think beyond that. What else could have Alexa in it? I'm sorry. Just catch it soon. But as always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, let me know. I appreciate that. And lastly, don't forget, get your geek on.